Designed in San Francisco, made with Ultra, this is the Aer City Pack Pro 2, newly released from Aer today. Let's check it out. So this bag measures in at 46 by 31.5 by 18 centimeters. It's a 24-liter backpack and weighs in at 1.3 kilograms. Today we're looking at the Ultra fabrication on this pack, but it also comes in 1680D Cordura and of course X-Pac. Comes in a few different colors as well. There are links in the description. You can check those colors out. Looking at the front of the pack, we do have a big chunky weatherproof zip from YKK. We've got Hyperlon pull tabs now from Aer, which is a really nice touch. We've got Hyperlon loops on each side for ease of zipper utilization. This pack here, this pouch goes all the way through to the bottom of the front panel. On the Ultra edition, we've got a ripstop nylon in lime green. On the other edition, 1680D Cordura and X-Pac, it's probably going to be a light gray. At the front here at the top, we have an organizer panel in the light gray ripstop, which is also Blue Sign approved, by the way. And we have a zippered section here, and then two stretchy pockets, one a bit bigger than the other. We've got Hyperlon Aer branding here and two further Hyperlon tabs here for zipper operation for the main compartment. On this side, we've got a water bottle pocket and a grab handle. On this side, we've got a water bottle pocket and a grab handle. We've got another grab handle at the top just here. We don't have a grab handle on the bottom. At the top also, we have a zippered section here where you can put your sunglasses, your AirPods, stuff like that. Taking a look at the back, we've got two chunky and padded Aer style backpack shoulder straps. We do have the sternum strap as well that's removable and adjustable with a nice little magnetic clip. Looking at the back panel, it's very padded, always as what you would expect with Aer. And we've got a luggage pass-through here for a vertical stow. Cool, let's open up the main compartment. We've got double chunky zippers here. So this is the main compartment. We've got a big stretchy pocket here. This is a stretchy fabric from the top pocket, comes down into the main compartment. And then on this panel, we have two zippered section here, one stretchy, one not so stretchy. For the moment, I'm just gonna throw some Rushfaster packing cubes in there. See if we get two. Made for it. And then let's have a look at the laptop compartment. So this is the laptop compartment. We've got a section for laptop here. We've got another pocket here. I think this would be great for tablet, iPad. So the two sections there. Let's throw in a laptop. That's my 14-inch MacBook Pro. Fits in there nice and easily. 16 is going to be just fine as well. So there you have it, guys. This is the newly released Aer City Pack Pro 2 in the Ultra edition. Links are in the description below. I'll see you in the next one.